Today, guys, we're going to be doing, I'm sorry, it's my puppy. Look at him. He's so adorable. He's so sleepy though. He's so sleepy. I know. Look at you. Okay. Today we're going to be doing a Telfar purse unboxing. And if you guys don't know, Telfar is a black-owned luxury brand that wants to be very inclusive to everyone and not just being like, oh, only that person can have my bag or that person can have my bag. So I was a part of the bag security program because like every time I got on the website I can never get one. So I was like, let me just hurry up and sign up on this order program. And I ordered mine back in August and I just got mine 2 days ago, but it's still in the box right here. Yeah, still in the box. So we're going to be opening that today. You want to get down? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna put him down. Okay. So I ordered 2 bags, and I'm going to be it comes in a bag. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Ooh, 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 baby, baby. Look at that. Telfar in the house. Okay, I don't even want to do too much. Okay, it has. It looks like zippers. Right here. I don't want to even undo these, to be honest. So yeah, this is the neutral everyday color. Okay, boo-boo. All right, and then I have another one. This is like good quality. It's a good quality drawstring bag. And I like to keep all my packages. I like to keep all of it. So I know it's brand spanking new. And this is the color. I forgot what color this is. I forgot. So hold on, baby. Look at this color. Now on the website, it did look a little bit brighter than this. Let's see. This one is Cobalt Medium Shopper. This is the one that, and these bags cost $202 each. So I'm going to be giving one of these bags to my sister. But yeah. Telfar, okay? Gorgeous. I don't know which one I'm gonna get her because I like both of these, to be honest. Gorgeous. So yeah, these are all the bags I purchased from Telfar. And thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any ideas, anything you guys want me to do, any type of makeup things you want me to do, feel free to suggest that in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and